सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी, Memorandum of Business, March 9, 2021. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri V. Muralidharan ji.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleague and other colleagues, Dr. Harshvardhan ji, Shri Kiran Rijiju ji, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel ji, Shri Rajkumar Singh ji, Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaubey ji, and Shri Anurag Singh Thakur ji, I lay the papers listed against their names from serial number 1 to 6 in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports. Dr. Vinay P. Sahasrabuddhe ji.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to present the following reports in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports. The first is the 323rd report on demands for grants 2021-22 of the Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, and the 324th report on demands for grants 2021-22 of the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education.
Report of the Committee on Papers laid on the table, Rajya Sabha, Shri K.C. Ramamurthy ji.
Sir, I present the 161 report in Hindi and English of the Committee on Paper laid on the table, Rajya Sabha, on laying of annual reports and audit accounts of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, DMRC. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture, Shri T.G. Venkatesh.
Present the following reports both in Hindi and English of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. 287th report on demands for grants 2021-22 of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and 288th report on demands for grants 2021-22 Ministry of Tourism. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Shri Kailash Soni ji.
आज की कार्यावली में मेरे नाम के सामने अंकित कृषि संबंधी स्थायी समिति की रिपोर्ट 2020-21 के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development, Shri Narayan Bhai J. Rathwa.
सर उप सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सन्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध ग्रामीण विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 13वां, 14वां और 15वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Shri Ram Kumar Verma ji.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यावली में मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लिखित सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 19वें प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Statements by Minister Shri Anurag Singh Thakur to me.
Mr. Chairman, sir, on behalf of my senior colleague Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, I rise to make the following statements regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the second report of Department Related Standing Committee on Finance on demand for grants for the year 2019-20 pertaining to the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. Status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 8th report of the Department-related Standing Committee on Finance on demand for grants 2020-2021 pertaining to the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance.
Thank you. Announcement by the Chair. Honorable members, as you are aware, on the request from several members, it has been decided that during the remaining part of the budget session, Members will be seated in the Rajya Sabha chamber and its galleries only with some physical distancing. Accordingly, 142 seats have been made available for members in the Rajya Sabha chamber and remaining members are being seated in the 4 galleries. Seats earmarked for the parties, groups have already been communicated to their leaders. While every member seated in the Rajya Sabha chamber will have a sound console with microphone on the allotted seat, some of the members sitting in the galleries may not find the microphone and the sound console system on their seats, as it is not possible to provide this facility at such a short notice. However, in order to facilitate their participation in the proceedings, one seat in each gallery has been kept vacant, to which these members can come and speak when called by the chair. I request the members to please bear with this temporary sitting arrangement made for the remaining part of the current budget session. Your cooperation in this regard is highly appreciated. Once the COVID-19 situation normalizes, we will revert to full sitting in the Rajya Sabha chamber with proper allocation of seats. Motion for the election to the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, Jamnagar. Shri Kiran Rijiju to move a motion for election of one member to the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, Jamnagar.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to move that in pursuance of subclause K of clause 1 of section 6 of the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Act 2020, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the chairman may direct one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, Jamnagar, subject to the provisions of the Act.
Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Motion moved. Motion moved. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Announcements. I have to inform members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on Monday, the 8th March 2021, has allotted time for government, legislative and other businesses as follows. Discussion on the working of the Ministries of Jal Shakti, Railways, Tourism, Food Processing, Industries, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Rural Development to be discussed together, and Tribal Affairs, 4 hours each. Consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to the following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha. Demands for grants for 2021-22, supplementary demands for grants for 2020-21, consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to the following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha. Supplementary demands for grants of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for the financial year 2020-21, demands for the grants of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for the financial year 2021-22, consideration and return of the Finance Bill 2021 after it is passed by the Lok Sabha, 12 hours, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12, to be discussed together. Consideration and passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha: the Tribunals Reform, Rationalization and Conditions of Service Bill 2021, 3 hours; the Constitution Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill 2021, 1 hour. The committee also recommended that the sitting of the House fixed on Friday, the 12th March 2021, may be cancelled. Now 0 hour. I will come. I will come. 4 notices हैं under 267 for suspension of rules and discussing this increase of issue of increase in the prices of petrol and diesel in the country. एक by Shri Satish Chandra Misra ji, BSP, Shri Mallikarjun Khadge ji, Honorable LOP साहब, Shri Trichu Shivaji DMK, श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी। ये 4 नोटिसेज हैं। माननीय चेयरमैन ने कल इस पर रूलिंग 267 पर दिया था उसको रीओपन नहीं किया जा सकता, चूंकि शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन डिस्कशन के लिए भी सब्जेक्ट आया हुआ है और ऑलरेडी मिनिस्ट्रीज पर डिस्कशन होना है, अप्रोप्रिएशन बिल पे है, फाइनेंस बिल पे है, इस पे काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है बोलने के लिए। इसलिए आप सब जानते हैं कि चेयरमैन साहब की रूलिंग रीओपन नहीं हो सकती। मेरा आग्रह होगा कि बैठे और कृपया 0 आवर चलने दे, माननीय मेंबर से मेरा आग्रह होगा। डॉक्टर सस्मित पात्रा जी प्लीज।
Deputy Chairman, sir,
आप हैं और कोई बात रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रही है,
speak at the 0 hour.
प्लीज बी
I rise to speak about the need to ensure